Williams Air Museum after a crazy cruise with all of these cars on the highway.
The death cruise.
The death cruise. Yeah, so we're just gonna walk through and show you the cars that are here, why everyone's waiting to get inside. For din. Ain't that right? We got a lot of cars here, so we'll just go down each row to show you what's going on. America. We'll do both sides. So we're going to have to go down, what, 3 rows, 4 rows? Here we go. Feel free to add your commentary to the videos. I don't want your commentary now.
After that drive.
There's a Panther car. Panther car. Look at that badging on the side. There's Panther.
Panther.
One of these.
We
got some 4th gens.
With the white car.
6 gens. All the above. We even got a Hennessy Exorcist here on the end. And a Hertz car. With some upgraded horsepower.
That's what I rode with on the way in.
Nope, that's not the Exorcist. The Exorcist is behind it. That's the Exorcist.
That's what I rode with on the way in.
1,000 horsepower. Hennessy.
We had fun coming in.
The Exorcist.
At least he didn't try to kill me.
True. There's
a white car in here that tried to kill me.
There's your car. There's Onyx.
Car.
Onyx.
There's alive.
She's alive. And a tribute. Some beautiful rides here.
70 to 73
Very
miles
pretty.
is rare because we have 2 labor strikes.
Z01s. Some beautiful cars here today.
Oh, that's pretty cars.
Oh wow, look at these babies. A lot of first gens today. A lot of first gens.
That's not good.
Z28.
Yeah, that's a lot.
Oh shit.
Oh fuck.
Antifreeze?
Yeah, I don't know. There's a trail.
They know. They were out here trying to do something about it earlier.
Okay.
I don't hate those wheels.
Which ones?
That's what I feel. On the
Oh, on the Krypton? Krypton green. Yeah, but you know what?
I don't hate those wheels.
You don't hate them?
I don't hate those wheels.
Okay.
I could see those shoes on Onyx.
Not in that color though.
Well, no shit. No, but we're gonna put Krypton wheels on.
Black and pink car.
On the Nightmare.
We got Transformers, Bumblebee here.
I have lost my mind today, but not that bad.
Yeah. We got some beautiful planes. Hopefully we can get some pictures and
Did that white
photographs
car
with.
wreck out? I don't see it.
I didn't see it either. I don't know where it is.
Probably wrapped around some minivan somewhere.
I did not see it actually.
I don't see it.
Maybe it wasn't coming. We just didn't get here yet. Alright, well, that's all the cars, guys. So, we're gonna go in here with all these beautiful peoples
Airplanes and angels.
to finish off our NEOCC night with all these beautiful rides. So, we'll catch you on the next upload.
Peace.
See ya.
Camaro K wants to say thank you to the NEOCC staff for putting on an amazing show. We had a great time. We highly recommend it to anybody out there who is watching this and owns a Camaro and wants to come out and enjoy a nice weekend. I don't say calm by any means because you will bust your buns to get your car ready for this, but it is well worth it.
Chilling outside of the hotel tonight.
So, if you were still
At the end of the NEOCC Fall Classic with peeps, enjoying company from all across the country. And we got Tribute Shining. We got Onyx Shining.
I even hear my mom go on.
Some beautiful light. Yes, we do. It was a great show. They did raise $21,000 for charity for the burnt kids. And everyone's just chilling. So you're gonna enjoy the night. Play a little game. How you doing, T?
Thanks for watching. Hit the like and subscribe button. See you soon.